don't know, by however the fuck you want to tell me. You raise your hand or whatever. Is anyone coming to this? Well, you obviously you're coming to this in store because you're here, but also coming to the one at 7 later tonight.
Yeah, I am.
You are? There's just like 2 or 3 of you. Shit, now we gotta play different songs both times. Just for you guys. We gotta figure that out. I want to say thank you, as always, to Banquet Records, coolest record store in the entire UK. Just fucking
up for Banquet.
That's really good shit. They were awesome enough to do this. They carry our record. They will be getting in an exclusive color of the vinyl that's just running a little late. We're working on it. It's coming, and they also have a ton of other awesome records. I see, Hostage Comes is hanging right there, who are our homies, and Talon and the Hawk by Front Bottoms, I think, came out like 2 days ago, and a lot of cool records happening right now. So you pick them up if you want to pick them up, but also don't if you don't. I don't know. I'm not the fucking cops. We put out a record called The Greatest Generation last week, and I hope that you have it because I think you had to get it to get in here. So unless you scammed us, you own it, suckers. It sounds good. Dismantling Summer.
Heartbreak
until now.